This is Abdullah Kashmula, Class CIS274 XML Programming, and this is week 12 assignment, which is the X query. For this assignment, I had to download the software, the base X, which is allow me to run the X query documents on the XML files. So this example I pulled from the internet. I did not write any of it, just to see how it works. So this is the XML document, which is showing different books with authors, year, and price. And the X query is running on it is saying that in this document, I want anything that the price is more than 30 and that the return me the title. And to run the X query, this is going to be the result, which is returning the name of the title of the book. Learn X query, learn.NET in 24. Now moving to the documents that I created, I run X query on this document, which is the XML challenge that we took. It contains the different classes for a certain semester that has the class name, number, and the CR and the class registration number, and start date, end date, instructor, and email. So for the first one, it was similar to the first one, except in this XML document, I am looking for any class that has this code, this class number, and I wanted to return me the name of that class. Of course, all of the classes are going to be the same name, and I can see it appeared 4 times in the document. Now, the other search that I did on the same document, saying that look for that class number, which is the same class number, and the output is going to be in tags. It's going to be in XML tags. The root tag is going to be info. Then it's going to be having 2 tags, which is the class name and the instructor for that code. And also I added some data like this class is going to get the name of that class, and it is being taught by. It's going to pull up the instructor and email, the name of the instructor and the email for that. And here is the output. It's the class name and the instructor, just in the same format. Now, when it comes to the instructor email and name, it's stored like that in the XML document. So I needed to separate those. So I made another X query. And this time I'm looking for a different name of class, different class number, and then information is a little bit different because I used a different function, which is subtracting before and subtracting after. Now when I'm using any of these, I can specify what I am separating the values by. In this case, it's a forward slash between the two. The one before it is going to be the instructor name, and the one after it is going to be the instructor email, and modify that this is being taught by this instructor and their email is that. And also when we add these 2 brackets, that's going to return us only the value without the tags, and we can add our own tags on it, and we can separate the values if we want, and it's going to return in XML format. To run this one, it's going to be a tag that says info, and this class is being taught by the name of the instructor and the email, and as you can see, it's separated. We can surround these with tags so that we can actually modify our original tags and separate them and produce a new XML document.